here vibing with another one of Jamaica's supremely talented musicians. His parents named him Leroy Thompson, but we know him as
LEROY HORNSMAN.
Father Hornsman.
Yeah.
All is well, sir?
Yeah, man.
Give
Big
thanks,
up,
man.
yeah.
It's a joy, brother.
It's
Man.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Sir Thompson. Another Leroy Thompson, like Leroy Fatman Thompson.
Yeah,
I guess
yeah.
that name is synonymous with greatness, I think, you know. All is well, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Talk to us, though. Early life, place of birth.
Oh, St. Catherine, Spanish Town.
Yeah, Spain Town.
Yeah.
Yeah, which part in Spain?
Railway Lane, a place named Railway Lane.
Railway Lane.
Yeah. Yeah.
How many brothers and sisters, man, have?
Well, one brother, you know.
One brother.
By my mother's side, but by my father's side, couple well.
Couple well.
We not know.
You're not too sure
know about them. Yeah.
The old man and old lady still around?
No, man. Mother drop out.
My condolences.
Yeah.
And the old man as well?
Yeah.
Where the man attended school?
Well, Spanish Town, Barracks, a school named Barracks, yeah.
I've heard that there quite a bit.
From there, so to secondary, now with
Spanish
name
Town?
Compre. Yeah, Spanish Town, Compre. Yeah.
What was it like growing up back then, though, Leroy, in Railway Lane from a financial perspective?
Well, you know, everything did kind of all right for me, you know. 'Cause, you know, so from them days there, from we are 12, we really I do things for ourselves and them way there.
Yeah.
And grew up around in marching bands, you know.
Oh, okay.
You have a band with the name Art Allen. Yeah.
What the band name?
Art Allen.
Art Allen.
Yeah, but him die, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. You have troopers, magnificent troopers with the one, the Ricky Troopers, you know him.
Trooper did in bands?
Yeah, I mean, I want the scout. Tell him.
Scout, what he used to do?
Side jump,
okay.
music play. Yeah, tell him, them leave and go farm the one out of training school. Them time the rival that, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, all in on troopers, always a clash on one place named Money Marsh Square in Spanish Town, you know.
But even before you get involved in the marching band thing, what was that thing growing up where make you say, okay, you know, the music thing, I like it, I love it, I don't want to get involved in that?
Well, you say the place where I live now, you have a place, Cumberland Road. So behind, you know, you have a field beside where the bands usually
come work out.
Yeah, you know, from them time we have cheese span and them thing they play. But me did like the trumpet still from the time. When I start from a thing we call bugle.
Bugle.
Yeah, without valve and them thing there. Till we play all the bugle again with one valve. You have two valves till this is the original thing, trumpet.
Trumpet, right.
Yeah. Till me reach to that stage where I play the trumpet and them with it. And you know, so from this to now, we always, the band, like we go up on parade and them thing there, go play. We always up on the bus and make noise. You know?
Yes.
And the bass drummer always have the bass drummer boom, 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 boom. And me, you know, always I play a thing like me always have the hands at the pan. Either burial or them something there. We always a play, you know?
Yeah, man.
And them thing they tell from there so to the sound, they usually have a sound in a Spanish town. When name Lightning.
Lightning.
I don't know if you know that sound.
I've heard about it. Somebody, I think probably Jonathan Wolfman mentioned.
Yeah, tell about it. Yeah, we tell about Lightning. They have Lightning them time. They have a sound named Small Axe. Every Sunday night, we usually go around there and me are the only Hornsman. You have Wolfman, you have Monksman, you have Hall, Wickham Man, Stitchy, all of them artists there. Usually around there that Sunday night, every Sunday night, and we always ram. Yeah. Whole heap of nice this them time. Them time you never usually have no whole heap of crime and all them something there.
Just niceness.
Yeah, niceness,
but then now back then most of the man them father Leroy, a DJ and sing man they want DJ and sing.
Yeah.
But you decide, say, you want to
take up the arm
different.
string, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. I'm tired of them I call me Louis Armstrong.
Louis Armstrong.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, you now started going around, it's a Small Axe and Lightning every Sunday night.
Yeah.
Go perform.
Yeah.
Hans business.
Yeah.
But what was the reception to that still? Because me say it's a dance, every man come DJ, brother, and sing. What was the reaction from the people?
Well, remember, you remember the song when named Volcano?
John Jolas.
Yeah, you have Augustus Pablo. You remember, that not say him really take it over, but in them time there, when Augustus Pablo play, me I go on wicked them time there, cause from them time the big sound, like King Jammies. Jammies first music depend, Jammies after Small Axe and Lightning.
Small Axe and Lightning.
Yeah, till Stereo One now a grand spin.
Right. Before we reach Stereo One. So Small Axe and Lightning. You used to just go there on Sunday night and you were actually a part of one of the setup, one of the sounds.
You have to say we are part of Lightning. Yeah, because we used a whole heap of clash on them thing there. Whole heap of clash we go and wherever
with
go
Lightning.
Yeah, and win too, cause
and who were the artists on Lightning? Residents.
Yeah, they have Stitchy.
Right.
And you have youth named Joe Mannix. Wolfman.
Yes.
And you did have a youth named Monksman and the whole of them, all of them Spanish Town artists there.
Lightning.
Yeah.
And you say you guys were involved in many clashes.
Yeah.
You remember any of them clashes that like anyone that stand out in their mind say, yo, that one that did terrible?
Yeah, we got one place all over there where you call name Redwood. Because the sound where we did clash with, but me I tell you say that clash there was a clash with Lightning. Yeah.
Do you remember that one there? So after Lightning now, you go Jammies.
Yeah.
Or you end up around a Jammies though?
You say them time remember you artists and rate you on them way there. And Jammies did kind of rate me, because Jammies send a youth for me and say, boy, say I want to know that youth there. Yeah. And remember, when me there at Jammies, remember the first dance we go is a mobile in the tipper truck there. We did all of the artists them with Chaka Demas and Admiral Bailey, Pompidou, Tolo T. Major Words never the pan Jammies yet.
Okay.
And me they bring him go over Jammies.
You bring Major over Jammies?
Yeah. All of them artists they never the pan Jammies yet. But me I tell about Tolo T, Pompidou and the whole of them man there. Chaka Demas and a whole heap more, Tontoiri. And the youth and Nitty,
Gritty?
Him did the pan Jammies too. Right. All of them big artists there. Dan Angelo. Yeah, did the pan Jammies too. All of them big artists. Remember the whole away board the truck. And me just with my little hands and them thing there, Till we go whole heap of clash. I play a seminar too now with Youth Man Promotion, Scorpio, and
I think the other song was Arrows.
Yeah, when Jammies win the clash now.
So Jammies win the clash?
Yeah.
Everybody tell me that's what he was win the clash,
Jammies did win the clash, man, and Sugar Man grab with the trophy.
Yeah, but me I say I tell you I mash up the dance, brother.
A whole heap of thing did go on, man.
Yeah. But you say a Jammies win?
A Jammies did win. Then I saw go on, yes, but me I tell you, Jammies did have all of the artists them, man. Yeah. I don't know bias thing, man. A serious thing, man.
Which DJ over Jammies performed the best tonight in your recollection?
The time they did have Admiral Bailey, them. Those are kind of, at them time that them, people get feel, because them are gone.
Yes.
All of the artists with them on Jammies. Because remember, the crowd thing,
Yes.
The whole of Waterhouse and them place to move, If it's sound of them crowd.
Which is true.
Yeah. I remember them time that when you hear a sound play good, you know what that mean. I'm on the show a pin. Yeah. Them time that is nice still, And them chuck there every minute. Till now, with that jam is good time till bring Major Words go over there. And man them say, yes, a good youth. Major did depend lightning too, you know. I never remember any name, you know. Major did have go on at Spanish Town. Yes, Spanish Town did have some nice artists. Remember me I tell you, them time there. Yeah. Till Stitchy come in now and say, you know, come link me right at Cumberland Road. Because true Stitchy come from Spanish Town too. So when I say, boy, Stitchy said to me, say, you know, say, we have a sound, a grand spendo. We want Spanish Town, man. We want the thing, you know. I say, why? I think about it still, you know. And the boss is stereo and tell me, I'm going to pay you more, you know. Can't forget that, you know. Yeah. And what they clash them now, a grand spin. Everything stereo and catch down a grand spin, you know. I must go Stone Love alone, stereo and never clash with.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, cause you know Stone Love, Father Paul.
It's really a
juggling sound. Paul no really, you know, no clash thing. I be a juggling and you know, so every minute, them time the stereo and Stone Love usually play often, but
Red Clash.
I don't know Clash, but Red Man, it's sound named Red Man.
The name Jamrock after.
Alright. Them are stereo and a grand spender. That how a wickedest clash again.
Who are the people and Red Man International at the time?
You did have Chicken Chess and you did have the artist them name where they sing the song was said No Trouble We. Them artists there. A Red Man artist.
Okay.
A Red Man artist them there. You have all them import all artists too.
Okay.
But we lost them the night.
So it was Stereo and Ricky Stereo, Wolfman.
Stitchy. Barky. Wicker Man. Yeah, Malibu. And Courtney Melody.
Courtney was there at the time as well.
Yeah. Bendy Low. Wally
Daddy Blue and them man there.
Yeah.
Good memory that.
I mean, I tell you. You know, remember now, we're there also every night. When you know when Stone Love play, we're there every night and them way there. And with the tune now, cause you say true, everybody see me a mash up place still, you know, call Shabba. I meet up on stage every minute, you know. From Shabba see me. When them a Shabba usually keep dance and them thing there at Spanish Town. Because you know, at Spanish Town, Shabba usually a place on the Wallava Road.
Okay.
That's was him corner.
Oh, so Mr. Enzo.
Yeah. Whole heap of thing, man, me I tell you, man. You have a next little sound now where usually over there when you're City Rock. Them have the little thing, you know, every minute, yeah, City Rock. Yeah, and a little drum machine. I mean, I tell you, all
back in the Stereo one days now, though, which were the songs that you say you in your recollection you used to go on the toughest fight?
You have sound one time we and Jaro clash in a skate land, you know. And them give a run for money.
Who was there? Supercat and Earl B them?
Yeah. But Stitchy stand up. Yeah. I remember one next clash again in a skate land with Scorpio. And one time trees I say I cannel the man them beard and them way there. And the man them say, no problem. And start to deal with the trees them away. Yeah. But you see them time the Stereo one, you know. We see when Stereo one I play a Waltham, Chisholm Avenue and them place there, you have every artist always a come in.
Pass through.
Yeah, Yellow Man, the whole of them. Everybody. One of the artists when you think of in a Jamaica them time there.
Used to pass through.
Yeah. Because we have all a clash one time in a Chisholm, I believe a Chisholm. With me and a buckle man, you know. A buckle lady, him a play, you know. Me a play the trumpet, you know.
Cool.
Wicked
what
clash.
What was he playing? The trumpet as well?
No, a buckle lady him have with a plastic over it and him a, but you see, Cho, you know me, you don't get rid of him now.
Yeah.
Me play out the whole of my tune them, cause that him a come with it. Him a come always and use my tune them for me. So me just draw on and me just cancel them from earlier and start to use some different thing. And give me a run for my money too, you know. Me I tell you.
Yeah, back then though, when you emerge as a hornsman and everything, who were the other people doing the same thing? You have
the two youth them did do it, and me bring them, you know. You have one named Youth and Grant. Call him Clanet. Him did on Youth Man promotion. Okay. And you have one named Bugle Boy. Did on Jaro.
Oh.
Yeah.
And you say you're responsible for them 2 man there?
Yeah. I mean, I the man them time. Man.
Yeah, the one them.
Yeah.
You are the one them time there.
Yeah.
So after you say after Sarah one you did some work with City Rock.
Yeah, we're there up and down with City Rock. And City Rock is just a little juggling sound. But I mean, usually monitor them thing and usually they're there everywhere. Them there and all the little special in them and them thing there. Me give them. And when them any of their sound I play, them have a dry it on them. Yeah.
So back then though, Father Hornsman, you were actually making good money doing what you were doing?
Yeah, man, we did go on, man, because I have them sound. I mean, I'll tell you when we did make money. You remember some sound when they, from Mobile when name Love Symbol and one named Ghetto. And them sound there. Kangal. You remember them
right,
sound there?
Yes.
Money sound them there, you know. So them man they usually send for way, Stitchy. And the whole away Pupa San and the whole away. Remember, you know, them a DJ, you know. Every time them send for way, me I feel in the package too. I mean, I get my money different.
So you were making money. And the reason why I asked that, because you know, so back then a DJ business I run the thing and you know.
No, but we are DJ I run things. DJ I run things, but enough time me go some place and the people them say they're not even want you know DJ.
Oh yeah?
Beyond. Yeah man, some country, believe me, that's me I have to say.
Believe you man.
You say famous?
O'Neal
famous, can't tell you history.
Yeah.
Me and him usually par. Them time the Metro Media usually come for every minute. Figure work. Yeah man. All of them big sound you think of. Cause remember you know them time you know the big sound them from Mobile, you know, Clarendon and them man that did kinda
have it.
Yeah.
So money I spend.
Yeah. 4x Exodus and
4x4 Exodus.
Well,
Exodus 4x4.
I even Exodus. Romy, the man who won Exodus.
Father Romy.
Him rate me. Yeah, because me, alright, I'll tell you all a sound again. Remember Roadstar?
Roadstar with Ian.
Yeah, alright. Me and Roadstar, we there always there at the studio. I make some medley and them way there. So you see more time when you Roadstar and them a clash, them can't find them medley there. Even you said Renaissance, where you say there, have some tune with me right now with some sound now.
And can't find it.
Yeah.
What was the first song Leroy Hornsman learned to play?
The first song.
First song you learned to play?
On the trumpet.
Yeah.
I sang when him when they saying.
Oh, when they saying, so march it in?
Yeah.
Oh, cool one. Give me a couple. What me ask, a bar same way? What you ask? What me ask Hornsman for bars?
The scale
give me a couple scale out of it there. That was the first thing.
Them thing that we usually go on with them time there.
Yes.
I mean usually have this thing again.
Racers. So basically when racers came with that song.
Me usually go over there and start race too, you know.
Oh yeah?
Yeah man, me and a youth. Because we usually run a marching band over 100 man police station. It's still over there right now.
Oh, what that name?
It named Portmore Pace Setter.
Oh,
yeah.
Cool. Oh, you know that? Oh,
yeah,
cool.
Man.
And you used to govern off that?
Yeah, man. We travel amount of that make me go. But me did that travel before them still. Me got to America without visa already. Don't laugh.
Which someone you go to America with? Are you go by yourself?
No, me, Papa San, Professor Nuts, Chronicle, and Gary Minot. Yeah, in Canada we did a go, but we did an intrinsic, you know, the intrinsic thing there. But when we there in Miami, no, we can't get a flight for go Canada till the show all done, the show gone. So the man them say, them a go in the city, how me a go pass? Them have visa, me not have visa. So I say, well, all right, man. So we got through, anyhow we got through a 3 months. That's when me return back at Jamaica immigration and say, boy, you're good. You can't say you don't really love America.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, you come back home.
Yeah, man.
And that was the first time you left the country? So, tune in now, because, as we said, what was the songs that you used to play most regular in the dancehall space back then?
You usually play a whole heap of dance, man.
What you used to play?
1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, rock, all them songs there, and the rhythm, you know,
Right.
the rhythm Malibu usually depend. When Malibu usually depend, they with you, rhythm Everless,
rhythm.
yeah. Shankai share, me usually depend more on Punani,
Right.
rhythm mostly.
Yeah, man, you have to depend put on, you know?
Yeah. A whole heap of thing, man. And with the tune now, with the 45 thing now.
Right.
Because I know you want to hear that.
We're so reach on to that.
You know?
Yeah, we're so reach on to that. You just mentioned some of the things that when you used to play at 3 o'clock, but at your mouth, you have your hands, so brother.
We don't know. All right, I'll tell you some of them.
Yeah, man.
That's a one.
Yeah?
Yeah, and you have to play this one again. That one there
Yeah,
again, and this one again. And we usually play. Song there, cause you know when you're going to some bad place, you have to, you call that one M16.
M16, right,
Yeah.
right. Man.
And Shankai. All them thing there.
I dig.
Yeah.
Eventually, you started appearing on 45s.
Yeah.
How that come out now?
Oh, the 45 thing come now. You say artists I call on artists, you know. So them just come in with the idea. Oh, we get to do the 45 now. We there also here. Stone Love. That time, you remember Stone Love I run things also here them time there. No dance, no miss me. Them time there. And Beenie Man come in. And say, Bridget, you know, long me I look for your boss. Can't forget that. And him say, you what, man? We are going to run a mixing lab. Tomorrow, 5 o'clock, you know. Link with, you know. Anyhow, I say, yes, man. Him go as far. We can't forget, we got it. And I say, so you have money for take taxi for come over. I say, I'm a good man. I'm good, I'm all right. And I say, you can't tell me nothing, you know. And he comes on clump. You know what I mean? Yeah, when we reach on there, me meet the brother where we had do the song for. A brother named Noble, named East Coast, them call him. I go on there, be attach a case, money will come out. And I tell you, say.
What are you talking about? Blackboard?
Yeah.
Okay, go on.
The first 45.
That was the first 45?
Yeah.
And Benz and be married him?
Yeah. So you see when we go in, them say them ready now. And someone say, yes man, I'm ready man. I remember me go inside, I tell you, say, no pause, no pick up, one go. And I be nice in the studio. And the man, I'm born to kill him, I can't forget. Killer come beside me and say, number one that, you know. Number one that. Yeah, he say it to me. Can't forget that, man.
Because he got up on the rhythm.
Yeah, man, in the planet, man. When me and Beenie do the tune, no, him do, I believe that him do.
Yeah, man.
And then Beenie do a next one pan it, and him do a next one pan it too. And they have rounded and all of them.
Yes.
And you when me they are dance at night time over there also and them place at night time and them a play all of the rhythm. You spend time, chagwood time. Remember me tell you, man, come like a goal, man. Be a pull up.
A goal for true, man.
Be a pull up.
That song is on Beenie Man's Maestro album, I think. I think that was on 1996.
Yeah, them time of prime, man.
As I said, the rhythm is Benz and Be My Rhythm, and Beenie Man Blackboard the song name.
Yeah.
Run it, man. Matthew. Bad.
Yeah.
Girl, I go and take me chaka. Inna your sheet, I go and show be in me long so. Then I go and drive me car by your road. Car me done already on the road. Girl, I go and whenever I got no money.
You actually heard the song before you played?
But by now, usually one of my favorite songs that when me usually play, you know.
Okay.
So when him tell me say that song there, I laugh after them. Yeah.
That was the first 45 that you were on. What a 45 to be on for the first one, brother.
And we do our next one again. And that one there, we do our next one.
With after. Beenie?
No, with Cabra.
That Ati.
With him there, put your hand
Cabra song
here.
Yeah. I think the song, the rhythm name, Chigga Foot Rhythm.
Yeah. For Weepo.
Stone Love label.
Yeah. And me I tell you, they show you how them things go. You say that when you are a producer, me learn something, you know. When you are a producer, never you give your next producer your thing for mix. Yeah. Because you see that song there, but I don't really call the producer name with the mix, you know. Him go lazy on it. Him go loop on it, man. Remember me tell you, man. A song there, did I go on wicked.
So what you know? Beenie Man, one of the legends in the thing. To Cabra, one of the legends in the thing.
Yeah.
Hot business, and that's a 96 again, brother.
Yeah.
Hattie, give me peace right now, man. So Chigga Foot Rhythm, the name, and the song with the Cabra name, Ati.
Yeah.
96 again.
Yeah.
You know, 96 again. Yeah, so did something with Captain Bark, you know, Wicker Man.
I remember.
Finger in the ear.
Yeah.
Big tune.
Yeah, you know, man,
and before we even do that, how the link with Cabra Ati come about? Like a Cabra seek you out or you dead studio and the thing just work?
You know, say, through Cabra and Stone Love, you like this, you know,
right.
You power, and through me, you run Weepo every minute, and them way, because Weepo are my friend.
Okay.
When before Weepo get there, so I'm them usually have him studio. Till Weepo buy around the song, come at Spanish Town for me, and tell me, so boy, come look on the place. And I say, yes, man, you're so shot, man.
A real friend then.
Yeah, I'm a brother, man.
That's what I link them make with Cabra.
Yeah.
Yeah, so finger in the ear, I think I Steely and Cleave it Steely.
Them did
them did that for, I think so, I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that.
No man, we do it for.
We a Stone Love do that for?
Yeah, Stone Love, we rhythm.
Oh yeah?
Oh no, the one with Barky.
I'm not talking about Trigger Finger, I'm
Oh,
talking about Barky.
I believe I stealing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
How you get involved in that project there?
You know, say true me and Barky them. Yeah, and them know where can go on and where them just call me, cause you don't know our friend them there for life. Yeah.
My thing. Run it now, man. Big tune again, brother.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is where my knowledge of the 45 that we had depend stop. So you need to tell me, you know, the rest of songs that you have been involved. Well, you do another piece with Wickham back in him Wicked? Are you not depend that?
No, I don't remember.
Tell me the one that
I do one with me and Keep Rich for Richie Steve or so.
Yeah?
Yeah, I forgot the...
What the title of that?
I forgot the girl something on that like what I say. The girl roll call, I believe it. Yeah, cool. Name it. But nuts did depend on the rhythm.
Oh, okay.
And you see when me and Kiprich do that song there, the song did I take off, you know. And it's like, singer take off the song off of the chart and put up nuts.
As in Richie?
Yeah, man.
So why would he do that though?
We don't know, you know. We don't really know. But them time, I tell us, would I get the next number one still them time?
Yeah.
Yeah, we know that.
Which other 45 you're involved in? What you can remember?
We do one with a Japanese artist, but I believe a Scorpio, them did come work. Yeah, some Japanese. Cause the woman named the Japanese girl named Nomi.
Nomi, right.
Yeah, every time them work there, she always come look for me. No care which part me there in Jamaica, she always find me. Yeah.
So you have been, and I would say, Blackboard #1 song.
Yeah.
The tune with Cabra did very well.
Yeah,
Captain Barky and Wickham Man tune did very well. And you would believe that the song with Kiprich would have done extremely well if it wasn't pulled.
Yeah.
Any more 45 that you remember off the top of your head?
We not whole heap of thing, you know, one scotch. Just the hand. Just the hand.
Chuck and Bailey?
Yeah, the hands in it. If you look, you see the video. No, you look on the video, man. You will see the hands in it. We never really play on it.
Okay.
A whole heap of thing we play upon where them just take on them now, really, you know.
Give you the credit for?
Yeah, but I just said go.
Things where you can remember off the top of your head?
We don't really, at that again, we don't remember it. Because I tell you so, you gotta go do some solo thing over still, you know.
Over where?
New York and them places.
Okay, America.
Yeah. Remember the first, the song that we did do for Weepo. Weepo, they buy a brand new trumpet, give me. And I tell you, say it's like, I got this, me get some call. That's true. You ever hear about that studio in Dan One?
Dan One studio, New York.
Yeah, from me dropping at the place, Dan One, I don't want to know some in at the place. He might call me. You remember Bobby Condon and
Massive B.
Yeah, all them man, me do whole heap of thing for them man that's true though. For them
Right.
medley and them way there. Yeah. I remember where I go, I tell you history. Remember where I go Dan One, the morning. It's like we take a taxi, but it's not a company taxi. It's just a little private man taxi. And the brand new one where we give me is like say me, we gone, you know, a place gone get a card for make a call. Just when I come out back, I don't see the man. And the youth, they said when you bugle boy, I may have to call and say, you know, so me there down a down one, just bring your hand come lend me. Yeah, and we get back, almost about 3 hands, me get back in space at that time.
Okay, cool.
That me I say, why?
Yeah.
Man, them say, wrong thing that never you come to New York and do that again.
Where's one of the places that you have gone to work though?
We go England.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Solo or you went with an artist?
No, we go with Stereo One.
Stereo One, okay.
Yeah, man. We go with Stereo One, man. One place on name Bridge, another bridge.
Okay.
In London, and I believe we and Jammies did for Clash.
Oh. So like you never go on?
Jammies never show up, but the dance go on good.
Okay. Yeah.
Them never show up.
You ever been on the road with any artists, like you and the artists, they apart, go tour or such?
In Jamaica, enough artists go all over the place. Even when first time we go to England, you know, that's our next jam again, you know. One day then give in the country, you know.
One day?
Yeah, man. One
so
day.
You left from Jamaica, spend much hours in here for one day.
You better believe, but me I tell you, say the dance, worth it still, the ram. The man permit never right. But we go back again. And that is nice still, the 3 months and so we go back again. Remember, every minute that's Barky go up on them flight, you know, and come back, you know, them lock him up, you know.
Barky?
Yeah, I remember in the military. Every minute, man, I jam at them time, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big up Stitches still, anyway, him there. Yeah.
The governor?
Yeah. And the boss, Clifton anyway, you know. Won the sound, Stereo One. Yeah.
Father Cliff is still around?
Cliffy?
Or he passed?
No, man, he passed.
Yeah. 45. I think you did have more 45 than that.
Only political thing I go up on still, man. Come here and all, the thing there, what name? This DJ, DJ song was Down a Garden.
Alazid.
Me and him do a nice little thing over there, but I don't hear him put it out.
He probably said he can't give me any, but I don't know if they road yet still, but I probably see it.
Only part people me do things where them not do, but right now we are work on a thing still, you know, say Blue response to them things.
The Beenie Man brother?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
I'm at the boss. Right
so
now.
when you say I work on a thing, you mean like an instrumental album?
Yeah.
That not sound bad, Leroy, man.
Yeah, man.
Because you shouldn't do that before now still.
It's not late.
I know it's not late.
It's not late. You make it look like we're there Old Market Street. We're still at Young Street.
It's still at Young Street.
Yeah.
Yeah, how far along is that project?
It's not started, you know.
It's not started, but in the pipeline.
Yeah. And everything all right, it all start, you know.
That sounds good, man. That sounds very good. I'm glad to hear that.
Me and the DJ have sang for you again too.
I see you come represent time birthday thing.
All the thing. Me and Killer, we should even talk that it's still. That's secret thing. Yeah, we're gonna hold it still.
Go on, hold it.
Big up the DJ, you know.
Yeah, but what's something forward?
Yeah,
that's your word. So, Father Leroy, you were around the sound system, then you transitioned into the recording part of the thing and stuff. And I mean, as we said, the number of you have done a lot of things, but in terms of official 45 releases, it is not. When they come on to the numbers, it's not a wholly.
Yeah.
But so you have been doing what in this time to sustain yourself?
Yeah.
Tour, travel, dub plate, what?
Well, the whole heap of things still, you know, because one day me and the DJ go came on, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, and they forgot upon about the thing wash out.
Okay.
Up there, but them refuse, them kind of do it
reschedule it.
Yeah. A whole heap of place in the book, me and the DJ right now.
You play at weddings or such?
Yeah, man.
Regular?
Yeah, man. We have a band, a marching band. Still active in a marching band. Yeah, man. A band. The one here come from Linstead. You must hear about Linstead. One of them we have to make you meet them still.
What them name?
George Washington.
George Washington.
Yeah, them play for weather, them play for everything.
Are you involved in that?
Yeah.
You get a whole heap of dub plate requests, same way?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
For the people them out there who find you for that, how them find you?
You know, say, me not hard for find still, you know. Just check Blue.
Just check Blue?
Yeah.
So you don't have a personal number with people?
Me have a personal number still.
Run the number, man.
Number 789-7117.
Run it again.
789-7117. Yeah. Personal number then.
Is there a particular rhythm or such a man them really seek you out for dub plate?
No, man.
Anything.
Remember where I come from?
Them time
long time till now, you know. We don't wait for so if we were there somewhere, take mark the rubber dub thing.
Right, on O'Neill.
Yeah, you have man where they afraid of they want wait for special rhythm. But O'Neill can't tell you, we don't wait for special thing. Anything from the rhythm could have creep.
You're ready for?
Yeah.
What's your favorite rhythm to play though?
We don't have no favorite, nothing, you know. We don't like taxi and we like put on and them thing there. All of them we do. Yeah.
You, as I said, we know you work with Beenie and Cabra and
all of the artists.
We can back here and them man. Is there anybody where you do the music now where you don't mind involved in a 45 where you don't work with it?
Yeah, whole heap of artists link me towards them thing, you know. Whole heap of artists. Whole heap of artists. Yeah. But ready anytime
You're ready
still.
anytime?
Yeah.
As long as it makes sense?
Yeah.
Speaking about that though, for the songs that you have done, right? How are things really publishing and royalties on your side?
You know, so everything alright though.
Everything alright.
Yeah.
I'm glad to hear that, Father Hornsman, man.
Yeah.
I'm glad to hear that, man.
We not got to tell a lie.
Yeah, we're glad to hear that, brother.
A true thing, you know.
So the business part of the thing in place, set.
Well, you know, say, in them time, you can't even lay your head in one basket, you know.
Which is true.
Yeah, you have to have a little thing, because we have a little business place at Spanish Town there. We are going same way.
What is it?
Chemical and them thing there.
What is the name of it?
Hornsman Haberdashery.
Hornsman Haberdashery.
Yeah.
And which part of Spain for the people in
22 Cumberland Road.
22 Cumberland Road. And you sell chemical, household chemical.
Yeah, everything we think of.
Nice one.
Make the place up. Because I make my own soap and them something there.
What's soap name?
All-purpose soap. You have a body wash, Irish Spring. You have a soap where you wash your clothes with and all them something there. Because you have the fragrance, every fragrance go with every, and the one where you wipe out Fabulous House and them thing there. Yeah.
But you go on Hornsman, man. Hornsman, Haberdashery, you say it name?
Yeah.
22 Cumberland Road.
Spanish Town, yeah.
People don't go and support it too, why?
We don't really depend on one thing.
One thing?
Yeah.
I'm glad to hear that, Father Leroy, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have been around for a long time.
Yeah.
As we say, from the rubber dub days to...
Whole heap of years that, man. I can't tell you history.
Yeah.
I don't just know.
As I say, history, is there anything when me don't know if I ask you where you think people them for know? Because we don't know all things, you know, as it relates to your musical journey.
You know, say, my journey, I'm not going to tell no lie. My journey, I kind of alright, you know, because remember, enough people still don't reach our age, you know. Yeah. Because majority of the artists, the simple as I see me look young and old and enough.
Big man.
Big man for them.
You play any other instrument other than the trumpet?
That's the trumpet alone, me
you love that?
Yeah, me love that, yeah.
And there's no other instrument that you wish you couldn't play or you wish you wouldn't take on?
I try enough time. I know some don't really like it. I try the saxophone, like where D play and them way there.
You prefer trumpet?
I prefer my trumpet still, you know? Yeah. So it's done.
Yeah, looking at your journey, Father Leroy, when you look upon it and assess it and you do the reflection, what is that thing where when you think about it or you hear people say it, it make you feel proud of what you have achieved, musically speaking?
You know, say, I'll tell you the honest truth. No, most time there are some place, you know, you see true, I don't really up in more time there are some place and you see when the people them know say me really the chalkboard. I know say me are the Hornsman. Be excitement.
Love and respect.
Yeah. I have nothing bad to say about it. Whole Jamaican rate me say all about.
So the love of the people is what give you a sense of pride.
Yeah.
Is there anything with the man musically achieve it where I'm still hope to add that to his legacy?
As me I tell you still, we just want to do some more tune, more 45, you know, and them something there.
Couple instrumental albums.
Yeah.
That would be good. You understand? Yes, there's something in the pipeline, so we hope so that start flow through the pipe one at a time.
Yeah.
Soon.
Yeah.
Yes.
Enough place where I don't go it still more than like go still. Like I want to go Africa one at a time. Give them enough time, I got some place and see them a dance to my thing.
Right.
Yeah, got a whole heap of African sound I've done play to
right.
me.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It a got man.
We don't run down nothing, man. We're humble, you know, so when the time come, it come.
Yes.
Yeah.
Looking at your journey though, Father Leroy, is there anything where you think you'd then do differently if you got the opportunity to fix it? Any regrets?
Well, one thing when me look on every day, see the youth them and the music thing, I just them me kind of, I just want them do the right thing, you know?
Right.
Yeah, certain things just slow, certain things, cause them see all the things set up. All of them songs where them are doing a big up some of them man there and them where they stop it, cause you see it's not a nice thing when you can't pay the dues. It's not nice.
We saw the government, well, the Broadcasting Commission yesterday announcing that there is now a ban on radio and TV for certain songs, glorifying scamming and the use of drugs and stuff. What do you think about that?
I tell them I just want them to do the right tune. That's the youth them can, relate to. Cause see right now, enough of them have, what I call it now, influence man enough of the youth them right now.
Enough of them not accept that sit on hands man.
No, but a reality, make no
you and me know that?
We not fight against no artists, cause we're glad for every artist.
True that.
Cause so the thing said. Yeah, but we just want them to do good tune. That's all I want them to do.
Agree, brother.
Yeah.
Agree.
Just clean up the thing, man.
Yes.
And they will heap a cuss in a dance hall and man and say this and say that. They go look something to man and low certain thing, man.
We agree with your Father Leroy.
Yeah.
We go look something to do with true, man. True your talk.
Reality, man.
Yeah, so you're still actively involved in the thing and still loving the thing.
Yeah.
Still loving what you do.
Yeah, we love it, We love it, man.
But is there, how you say, because you're still involved in the marching band thing, is there, in Jamaica, a lot of things that die out, many aspects of the culture kind of fade away. What is your experience with the whole marching band thing? Is it still very vibrant?
Yeah, man, my bands don't really die out, because them vibes there. Every minute, gone at the hotel, go and play on them way there. Yeah, it's different. You say most time when me go anywhere, go play with them, if I have 50 other people there, they just always know say Hornsman that. Yeah.
Hornsman a star, man.
But we don't really show off and go on them.
Humility and humbleness, man.
Yeah.
As it should be, brother.
Yeah.
As it should be.
Just big up tenant and all of the executive people, them, Yeah.
How many children Father Leroy have?
Well, 5,
5.
Yeah, 1 drop out still.
Oh, my condolences, man.
No, 5, no, 6, but
6
1 drop out. Yeah. 4 boy and 2 girl. One of the boy drop out,
boy drop out.
Yeah.
A trouble did I give?
No, it's a you like this. I'll tell you how the thing set up now with Spanish Town. It's like, look at you, like anything you keep, I'm always there for support, I don't know if our footstep in take but you see, no, more time, you see, friend where you keep. Remember me tell you, man. Yeah, because him friend them do it, But the good thing about it, like him buried his son there, the man who kill him, police just deal with him, The Monday. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I just say it goes still one of them things there. More time, every day I said that, tell them you, they said just know the type of company where you keep,
True that. Father, Thompson married?
No,
No? So you laugh with the answer that?
I laugh.
Yeah, I laugh. So like you live in though?
Well...
Don't say a word, man. That's not what you're not to say, but everything good,
right,
man. Yeah, man, everything good. So, the great Leroy Hornsman, because a lot of people know the name, but don't know the face, brother.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
That will change,
Yeah, but when they pan up, when I go big up teach them still,
Yeah.
I tell you still, with the pan a whole heap of thing with the pan,
Yeah?
Yeah, because the amount of people who come for interview right now. I'm glad you first them still.
I'm glad the first them too.
Yeah.
You know what I think, guys. So,
yeah.
brother, what do the thing? I want to do and the thing about Leroy chose a different part and make him name and get him fame.
Yeah.
Every man I run down the mic, the man say, all right, now do something different.
Yeah, man, I say
and
go, man.
Stand out.
Yeah.
Be glad say the man choose a part there
Yeah.
and decide to be different and we can talk to somebody different in the thing apart from a DJ or a singer, brother. Yeah, man. Go on to the thing. We look forward to the album we are working on, brother. Nobody tell me say I work on the album.
We're on Blue Talk
when
about
done,
it,
man.
man.
Know, so I spend my money and support it together.
But we're on Blue Talk about it. I blow at the boss.
You know, blow at the boss, man.
Yeah,
do
man.
that.
Big up them in Canada still, you know.
We do, we know they're there with the port right there. Yeah, man. Brother, give thanks.
Yeah,
and
man.
as we say, go on to the thing. And the business will hope to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Said we understand you have some branch run this and runs and employ some more people.
Yeah, man. Big up.
Big up yourself.
Alright, man.
Yeah. Ask your favorite tune to play. Ask your favorite tune to play. No?
Jack,
I try what your favorite tune to play. Alright, so let's hear it. Well, give me one look sitting before we go down. Sit here so you don't give it. I'm on to there. Big a piece of burial there before you left. Leroy. Big up yourself. Here, sir?
Yes, sir.
Mighty, man.
Come up your black hole. You know the thing that why pushing me like so. I ride the chop on the road. Call me already on the road code. I went to the chop and my boss she ran. Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!